This tutorial is for installing the collar on view C of Simplicity S9295, steps 13 through 16. So you're going to take your uninterfaced collar piece, you're going to open it up. We are going to make a line of stay stitching through our two triangles. Not all the way through here, but you do want to go a little bit outside of this triangle and a little bit outside of this triangle. Now that you have your row of stay stitching, you are going to take your scissors and you're going to clip to the triangles. Now be careful not to clip through your stitching, but clip as far down to the triangles as you possibly can. So now we're going to work with the section that we just clipped between the two triangles. You should have sewn your stitching line at 5/8 of an inch seam allowance, and you're just going to fold that middle section down 5/8 of an inch. So you can use that stitching line as your guide and just fold right along that line. Take it to the ironing board and give it a good press. And you should be folding to the wrong side of the collar. Now you're going to trim that pressed edge down to 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. If it's easier for you, you can take a ruler as I am doing here and mark 3/8 of an inch away from the folded edge. And then trim. Okay, now you're going to take both collar pieces and put them right sides together. We're going to put the piece with the folded center on top, and then we're going to pin it all the way around, leaving the notched edges free. Once you've done that, you're going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch the pinned areas. Again, leaving the notched edges free. Now trim your seam allowance. Now that we've trimmed the seam allowance, we are going to turn this inside out. Make sure you poke out your corners so that they are nice and crisp. Now baste the raw edges. Now we're ready to pin the collar to the neck edge. With right sides together, the right side of your bodice facing you and the part of the collar with the pressed under edge facing you, you're going to pin the collar to the neck edge, matching notches, center backs, triangles, and circles. Clip the top neck edge where necessary, not bothering the pressed under edge. Once you have your collar pinned to your neck edge, you're going to take it to your sewing machine and baste all the way around, leaving your pressed under edge free. Once you've completed this step, you have installed your collar.